back. Yesterday we took the entire day off from filming so that we could get some stuff done because we leave for our California trip. In 48 hours from now, we will be on a plane heading to California. That's wild. So we had to get a lot of things done yesterday. I trimmed the do, we had homework, we had errands, we had laundry. We did all of it yesterday and I gave myself a full day of no filming. Today's been very busy and productive and fabulous and sunny and I have so much energy and I was real responsible with my water, which was like really dope. Oh, that's another thing I did yesterday. I addressed all of our Christmas cards, and then this morning the sun was coming up and I mailed them off at 7 a.m. Then Dad and me had work, and then after work we were super productive. I went to Target, picked up some kitty litter, saw some cute things, and then tomorrow we have a big girls luncheon with a bunch of like mom friends. So I got Dad me and these to have cute looks for tomorrow because I feel like I've burned through all my Christmas gear. I'm gonna be in California and my fashion's gonna be like complete repeats from this whole month, but whatever, hashtag Vlogmas. Another fabulous moment. We're going to Progresso for the first time. I think I've said it before, but if you have any tips and you've been to Progresso, send them Mama's way. Dad found some like wonderful places for us to eat and things like, yes, he's coming down. Bringing Copper?
I have both. Pretty.
I saved this for Mr. Pretty.
Copper!
Mr. Really Pretty!
Is your jacket?
Oh, sorry, I didn't think the peanut butter was gonna fly.
Oh, I'm sorry. Is your jacket upside down?
Don't do this. I know what you're doing. Stop it. Don't do this.
I swear, I think your jacket is upside down.
Stop it.
Oh, no, it was like...
Oh my God, Dad, I believed you.
Well,
no,
like
because I went like this. Dad, tell us what you found for Progresso.
I found possibly a restaurant that we're gonna have luncheon in Progresso, and I found 2 restaurant options for us to have luncheon in Cozumel. And I found, what was the other thing that I found?
And you taught me about birds.
Yeah.
No, there was something. I wrote it down. I'll tell you in a sec. How does being 60 make you feel?
Amazing.
I had 4 shots of espresso today because I have to get some done. How do you put that on?
Right hand or left hand?
This one. Oh, that's a good point. No, Dad, I told Dad he taught me something great, but I forget what it was. It was, oh wait, now I forget again. Hold on. When you were reading the menu for that restaurant, you said rooster beak.
Oh, I did like a translate. Everybody translated it, but it didn't do it correctly.
I can't believe I threw that peanut butter all over the floor. We have to film that video all over again. I wasn't wearing my necklace. Also, this is just a shot. I can't tell you who these gifts are for, but I can tell you that they're very special. And one hint is, Je t'aime, mademoiselle. Judy hates when I sing French love music. I mean, she strongly dislikes. All right, girls, there's the sun. Ooh, too bright. Dad and me are in the Nordstrom parking lot. We played it as cool dads and let Bro skip dance to go to one of the last basketball games before school is out. Dad is texting with somebody that cannot be named because Kenzie would die of embarrassment. It's a mom friend, and we are gonna go get a couple little last minute things for our sweet angel bro at the mall. We're looking at our sister, Kendra Scott's things. Just looking for you, bro. And I was gonna tell Dad, I love having a girl. It's so fun. They're so much more fun to shop for than boys. No offense.
Not yet. Stop it.
Y'all, bro wasn't lying. Hold on. Whoa, how much are they? This Bath & Body has all of these laundry soaps. Isn't that crazy? No, it's not.
No, they're 20.
Kenzie's Christmas shopping is officially done. Well, we thought it was done, but now Dad's like, well, I love spoiling my daughter. Let's go look at Nordstrom.
It tells you to say the things that you say.
Dad said, what's inside my head that tells me to say the thing? I don't know, Dad. It just bleeds.
It's like a touch of your grandma and your dad, but...
It just bleeds out of me. But we originally signed on to say, Kenzie Holgate's Christmas shopping story is closed.
I doubt it.
Oh, we're home from the mall, happy, warm, and breasted, and having some Miller's Gourmet popcorn that we have really pretty. Say hello. We just have tonight, tomorrow night, and that's it. So I only have 2 more times to do this. Illuminate the lights. We got this today, and Eric and Kai, you guys are so adorable. We love you so much, and Pepper too. Look at these things. For you guys, the really pretties and the really pretty cat. And that's so sweet, and yummy chocolates. And when Kenzie's at a basketball game, but she's gonna open that when she gets home. But mwah, big kisses from us to you and the boy who's making chicken.
Merry Christmas, thank you
Merry
so
Christmas.
much.
Oh, and also, took your return address and I sent you a Christmas card of ours today in the mail, so look for that. I'm not gonna show you what Dad made unless you can guess it.
Ew.
Chicken and ricey and potato-y. Thank you, Dad. Picking up this little bro from her busy social life of basketball hooping. I just gave him the treats and I forgot to record.
What is that?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I've seen these markers on TikTok and stuff.
A journaling.
They're so cute.
Oh my god.
Thank you so much. They look so fun and cute.
Look at this. Copper with the blue lamb chops.
Look at Winnie go too.
I know, and her little pink one. Isn't it lovely? It was my daughter's. That was for you, Dad. Did you watch me do that for you? Oh, I didn't think you paid attention. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. And when I show you this, you have to promise, Pinky promises, that you will smile and say the one word, Dee-Dee. Have you ever remembered that we're going on an airplane? And like maybe gonna be with my sister and she likes to play little games? You can play with these!
Dee-Dee.
Will you? Should we bring them on the plane and stuff?
Yeah.
I challenge you to backgammon. What?
What is that?
Our Disney cruise card we bought like 2 cruises ago and never used, Angel Boy.
So bad.
Yeah, it must be nice being an angel. La 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 la. La 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 la. Thank you, Kenzie. And so you're behind 2 days, so put 2 up. Thank you. Love you. I'm gonna go sit with Kenzie, but I decided to play her my favorite Christmas album.
That's hot.
Kenzie, if you're not a fan of something that one of us says, all you have to do is go, that's hot.
That's hot.
This is my life.
This is what I wanted to see earlier.
Move out of the way. Oh my god, Orange Bird made it in.
Isn't that cool? I saw it earlier and then I accidentally clicked on the TV.
The actual lamps.
Yeah.
And the pots.
It's all part of the Disney story, Dad.
So that you can
Night, Taylor Swift.
Meet me at midnight.
Hey, it's 10. Dad and me have been like eating healthy for the cruise, and so we're finally having a treat of chocolates from Eric and Kaya. Yummy! They're really pretty. They're so pretty. Copper. Winnie. Hallelujah, hallelujah. I can send him pictures. I can. Whoa, baby. You look beautiful. How's that shirt feel? Let me touch it.
Jeez.
It's cute. Is this cute? Tell the truth.
Yes.
This is the fit for the mom's lunch. I'm having second thoughts because I feel farmer. I don't know, I feel like grandpa farmery, but at least my hair is young. This is Dad's fit. I gotta go get tape because my belt doesn't fit me, so I think I need to do some double-sided tape. Is that, wait, I should probably go to the bathroom before I self-tape that. Dad, finish. You come sing a song or do. Santa came to say you have really pretty dogs.
Santa baby. We have really pretty dogs. We're going to this mom lunch with all the best, sweetest, cutest, nicest moms from the school. What are we doing after?
Telling stories.
And Vlogmas is almost over. I hope you've all enjoyed it. I have enjoyed it. My husband has worked very hard. I'm very proud of him. Not as natural in these moments as Dee-Dee is. He's just...
Oh, this is Copper. I know, it's midday. Lunch was fabulous, and this is Copper not wanting us to pack. Honey, come on. Hey y'all, it's me feeling like Badessi filth in the parking lot at the grocery store. I don't know how people make those pack with me things. I am so like behind and not a good early packer. So anyways, we're just running around like chickens with our heads cut off, and then we realized I needed to pick up something to eat for dinner. So that is what Dee-Dee is going to the grocery store. Alexa, what's the temperature in Frisco, Texas tomorrow?
The weather is warm enough for Lululemon shorts. Sorry, Bryan.
This boy's middle name is... It's 9:15 and Judy has to go to bed in a few minutes, but... Turn that on. Wait, hold on.
Dad, wait, Dad. Wait, scoot.
Oh, what? Sorry.
Okay, Dad, help us.
Okay.
I mean,
Where's the last one go?
I'll do
We did it. Merry Christmas month. Love you. Dee Dee! Look at that.
It's like $5.
Everybody has to sing in the last one.
That's so cool.
Number 12, day of Christmas, light too great to me. 12 television, 11 missionary, 10 can of beer, 9 pound of porridge, 8 ukulele, 7 shrimp a swimming, 6 hula lessons, 4 stinking pig, 4 flour leg, 3 trees, 2 coconuts, and 1 minor bird in a papaya.
No,
What did I say?
Every time you sing this somewhere at home, you sing it in the wrong notes.
And 1 minor
And 1 minor bird and 1 papaya tree.
Oh, I don't know.
You like make it so long and I'm
Malikaliki Maka, everyone. Okay, Dad, are you really reading Chrissy Carol?